One of the most important things to know about data is how spread out the data points are. The summary statistic that we calculate to show this is called the standard deviation. In Walkthrough 2.1, you reformatted a table that looked like this. We've also added a new set of data on the right here. Note that both sets of data have the same mean value. We've added those underneath the table. We've also added two charts showing the frequency of observations for each value. On the left, we can see that there's a wide range of values, but on the right, there are only 3 values, so the right-hand chart is narrower with higher columns. So, eyeballing this data implies that the right-hand side data is less spread out. It should have a smaller standard deviation. So let's work out these standard deviations. First of all, we're going to label a cell underneath the mean value to show that we're calculating the standard deviation. Next to it, we type equals stdev.p and open the bracket. Next, we select the data cells, close the bracket and hit enter, and that calculates the standard deviation for this data. We also do the same for the right-hand table. As we can see, the standard deviation is much larger for the left-hand side data. There's a handy rule of thumb for standard deviation. 95% of your data should be within 2 standard deviations of the mean. Now, it's quite a small data set for either of these tables, but let's do it for the left-hand table. Twice the standard deviation is about 9 or 10, and the mean is 11, so that means that all the data should fall in the range between about 1 and 20, and as you can see, that's true.